Hey, is Zoom not sharing sound when you share your screen? Yeah, it's frustrating when people can see your screen but can't hear any audio. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom Share sound not working in 2026, so your presentations or videos play perfectly. When you start sharing your screen, make sure to check the Share Computer Sound option at the bottom of the Share window. This allows all system audio to be transmitted along with your screen. Make sure your computer and Zoom volume are turned up. Sometimes system audio or app volume is too low or muted, preventing others from hearing your sound. In Zoom settings, Share Screen Advanced, you can enable stereo audio. This can improve audio quality for music or videos and fix sound issues. Close Zoom completely and restart your computer. A fresh start often fixes glitches that block sound from being shared. Make sure Zoom is updated to the latest version. Also, update your computer's audio drivers. Updated drivers and apps often fix compatibility issues that cause share sound problems. In Zoom, click the arrow next to the microphone to audio settings. Make sure the correct output device is selected and test the speaker to confirm sound is working. Other audio apps like Discord, media players, or recording software can interfere with Zoom sound sharing. Close apps that may be using your audio device and try sharing again. If the sound still isn't working, uninstall and reinstall Zoom. A fresh install can fix corrupted files or settings blocking share sound. And that's it. One of these fixes should get Zoom Share sound working so your participants can hear everything clearly. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.